Lesson 11. In this lesson, guys, you will use estimation and place value to determine the placement of a decimal point within a problem. First, let's look at this problem. Lucy wants to build a rectangular flower bed that has a length of 45 4/10 feet and a width of 7 1/10 feet. What will the area of her flower bed be? So we know that the area formula for a rectangle is area equals length times width. Okay? So we have a length of 45 4/10 feet and we have a width of 7 1/10 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to estimate those values. So 45 4/10 is about 45 feet and 7 1/10 feet is about 7 feet. So if I take those two and multiply them, 45 times 7, I get 315. So that's telling us that our answer should be about 315 feet squared as the area of her flower bed. Now we're going to actually take the actual numbers and we're going to create, from this ones, we're going to create fractions. So 45 4/10 as a fraction, or the equivalent fraction, our mixed number will be 45 4/10. 7 1/10 is equivalent to 7 1/10. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these two together, but before I do, I want to create my improper fraction. So 45 4/10 as a mixed number, and we want to convert that to an improper fraction. So 45 times 10 equals 450 plus 4 equals 454 tenths. 7 1/10 equals 7 times 10, which is 70, plus 1 equals 71 tenths. So now I'm going to multiply those two together. 454 tenths times 71 tenths. So I have 454 times 71. I'm going to get 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 4 equals 4. Put my placeholder. Can't see that. Put my placeholder, and then I have 7 times 4 equals 28. Carry my 2. 7 times 5, 35, 36, 37. And then I have 7 times 4 equals 28, 29, 30, 31. Then I'm going to add those two up. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Carry my 1. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Plus 1 equals 12. Carry. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then I have 3. So here I have 32,234 over 10 times 10, which equals 100. So that tells me that this number is being divided by 100. Here's my decimal in the number, and I want to divide it by 100, so that means I'm moving it to the left 2 times. 1, 2. So here is my answer. 322 3/34 feet squared as the area. I'm going to show you one more way of actually doing it. So you can just take your 45 4/10 and then multiply times your 7 1/10. You can just ignore the decimals like they are not even there. Okay, and you do the exact same algorithm to multiply your numbers. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 4 equals 4. Put your placeholder. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5, 35, 36, 37. 28 plus 3 equals 31. Add up again. Carry 1, 11, 12, carry 2, 3. Lets me know we need 2 decimal places. So here's your answer, 322 and 34 feet squared.